and no maybe a Ghana ye boka wo ho bebre ho hia no obetwetwetwa bebre so na otwitwa so no o hye Ghana for bo say obebie ni books mu ama obie hu the broni friend transparency obia be hu kwan odi esikasam efa so na ade bia e bo Ghana ka ho hia bia no obeyi afri ho now rich or settle that tone we you know and I cancer we and I quote him especially regarding the budgets of the FE. There will be no secrecy in how much the government spends on the national teams. And I'll go on to say, Anunti, why instructing the Ministry of Sports and Recreation say, a free necro, every budget of the national teams are making it public for the public to know. Now, Rich, Mahama can't answer me. His Excellency, I knew it was a political talk. Look, aside being a political talk, it was playing to the gallery. Aside playing to the gallery, it was to please the sensational populism of Dodono. It can't be done. Budget now, you know. So what? I didn't know Honorable Kofi Adams, Echo Media General, 2 days ago. You know, real Kwampa Fubusan says so. Honorable, will you be able to tell us? Because budget, you know, from all indications, it has been agreed. It has been finalized. Sincerely, we know, Kasi. Hotel Blasters down Moya campaign. The hotel payment, it is out of the approved budget. It is can you start to spend you. Fuel I told Blasters bus they be from hotel to training. It is part of the budget.
Now the extended voice I boy. Minister so players in the business class never too kind. Nina na dia sas kan ya di na twetwa ni na dia fi
inti rich makacho
ya na minister so ntimi kan kire
say you see government spending rich ni nyina na ugiri say ye de beto abonte ni nyina and I do
but say bibia ni me dey had ntimi kan bia
me say me pay the right way to describe it
rich we Ghana for sika nti eden na yesika wu kodi a usuo so be catch say kodi say aska wi when wa catch so is that one person bibia be o person bibia transparent Ghana ni bia be hu say Black Stars yi 1 cedi na de ba mo 1 cedi no ye be spend 20 pesos so ha edu be wura ha edu be wura eden na man ye so difficult sa ban be catch say Ghana for musika no say ne ye no
o police say Mahama
okay yente His Excellency call parliament no.
Next month, the senior national team, the Black Stars, which is now a pale shadow of its former glory, will play 2 World Cup qualifying matches. I've instructed my office and the Minister for Sports and Recreation to hold the Ghana Football Association accountable to the people of Ghana as we prepare for these games, especially regarding the budget of the FA. There will be no secrecy in how much the government spends on the national teams. The budgets presented by the FA and other sports associations must be known by the public. After all, it is the taxpayers' funds that are used to fund these activities.
Okay, it is a taxpayers' money. So the His Excellency Kenya, sports ministry now, all for public interest. It is a yes, say Ghana for music can ye di. Kwasa Black Stars more ko bokima den na man ye so because aban be twa ka che say me simple kapra na de ba omo we na di we be ye di we be we ye di we be I mean den na man ye di because minister say high kwa yen twen
rich say who break
the Ghana Premier League no na
say even if you are breaking down your budget now what will be the itemized nyoma your budget in baby ebe campaign internal travels, buses and maybe idea about internal travels. how much you are paying players for winning bonus. Any technical team winning bonus. Asa.
But na minister cat na bonus ana.
No, you see,
because in here maybe we cat.
You see,
and players no understand.
You see, Rich, when politicians are talking, you must be very, very careful. The fact of the matter is, in conclusion, and then Wednesday, you have a game on Friday, which are two things. And you can't say free necro. Budget for national teams, you be making it public. And you can't. Man penny and a kind. Yen as in some trouble. As the fourth state, we can only hold public figures accountable not to only their actions, but reach to their words. And the discussion we are having, all that we are saying is, as the mouthpiece of Omomutie, we are asking His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
So I instruct you
say, ye the betuja a free necro. Penny, I got 2 days.
Near Boboni,
near Bobono. Budget in the approve that. You're starting post spend this in Canada.
The catching.
And to saying ye day boy your games, and now your boy and your baby catcher. It's as simple as that, Rich.
Young trust with the Ghana Premier League. Where I'm standing, on saying you're pulling